episode of We Still Haven't Decided What the Name Is. We do have 4 options and we will give it
We
to
call
you
it
during...
that.
We will give you all those 4 options during the course of this particular episode and then everybody can vote. We will still do as we please, but your votes will be considered and
No doubt,
majority
no doubt.
will win. But hello
doubt.
and welcome back. We are Jaggu and Tarana and this is your weekly, bi-weekly, tri-weekly, depending on our mood, dose of happiness. And
Weekly तो कभी नहीं हुआ है. Once a week तो we have not done.
No, we've
2-3
done
times a week तो कम से कम हो ही जाता है. कभी-कभी
2-3
4 बार भी
times.
हो गया है.
Yeah, 2-3 times, and sometimes when we
Correct.
feel like doing a special, we do more. And in case you've just joined us today for the very first time, we are radio partners of over 18 years, and we've typically hosted on radio. We've also done TV together. We've also done lots of shows on stage together, and now there's a new venture on YouTube.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah.
Podcast भी किए हैं. Our relationship is old enough to be an adult.
I know if we had a kid, it would like be voting this year.
Correct. Tarana, I have another question for you on the subject of relationships.
Yes.
Is there a new man in your life?
No. Why?
What is this jazzy lipstick you've got going?
The
pouchy type.
It's not the
Have you
pouty
done
type.
have you done a pout on your lips, or am I just
know,
imagining it?
This is my mouth. No, what has happened is I've realized that a lot of my makeup is getting old because I'm not using any. And so I know everybody in India is stuck at home only where you're going to put on makeup and all. But even in Dubai, I am not quite a party animal. I have ever since COVID has begun, I barely ever step out. And जब आप mask लगा रहे हो तो lipstick कौन लगाएगा?
Fine.
It's very stupid.
Max, you have to do your eyebrows and eyelashes.
Yeah, max. Okay, so
yeah.
then I realized that maybe my makeup is now getting like at a point of expiry. So now I've decided I will put it on for the for these videos that we do on YouTube.
What is this shade called? It's a cherry pop.
It is maroon.
Maroon is boring as hell.
Yeah, but
don't you have an exotic name for it?
It's a fun. I don't know what it is.
Tropical sunrise or something like that.
No. So far I have used bright orange. I've used bright pink. This is maroon. We'll try.
Maroon.
Yeah.
Acha, so while your main focus is what lipstick shade to use before it expires.
Yeah.
My main focus is when can I go bhaji tarkari shopping again?
You're excited about bhaji tarka. So Jaggu, in case you don't follow
the highlight
Hindi,
of my trip.
The highlight of Jaggu's trip to Bangalore. He's not in his own house in Dubai. He happens to be in Bangalore with his relatives, and
Yes.
he's in their house. And
Yes.
and why are you excited about buying vegetables?
Because, so look, I came here about a week ago. First 2 days I went and stayed at a hotel. Taj West End, na? All those photographs and all we showed on.
Stop showing off and throwing names.
No, I got a great deal. This was spectacularly Sindhi. The move was spectacularly Sindhi, and my God, that place was lovely. That is besides the point. Then I came home with good reason because I want to come here. I want to be spending time with family. Bangalore, since the time I came to today, has gotten much worse. They have announced a lockdown.
Yeah.
Before there was night curfew. Now there is full-blown lockdown. If you want to have to necessarily plan to go out 6 to 10 a.m. That also to grocery store, to chemist, to get your vaccine. None of that. Like you can't go like, you can't.
Okay.
So our bhaji shopping, so this is a big complex. And the vegetable vendor literally comes, lays out a bunch of trays out in the open, in the compound. And you go to each tray, to each basket, pick out what you want, put them in your individual paper bags as you will. Nobody does any plastic over here. These guys are very good at it.
Oh, how lovely. Okay.
Yeah. Full on. I think it's a government mandate, if I'm not mistaken, but it's being followed. And then you go and weigh the individual ones or things like that. In the last 5 days, that has been my first out.
Today.
Down to the compound, I'll tell you na, I picked up kakdi, I picked up bhindi, I picked up French beans. Then I did a call with my wife and I showed it to her from the window, which is French bean, which is long bean. Then I got bananas. They were selling eggs. I got 1 dozen eggs. 1 dozen eggs, Tarana. It was like a balancing act when I was coming home.
And this is your only outing from the house.
Balancing eggs was the most dynamic thing I've done in the last 5 days.
Very good. And Jaggu is somebody who's a social butterfly. If you don't know this already, he is, and he likes to go out and meet people one at a time, 2 at a time, whatever.
Yeah.
And so this is really must be difficult on you.
This complex has I can see 500 flats. I don't know what else is happening around it, but I can see 500 flats.
And you're like so many friends to be made.
Theoretically, this is my compound. I'm not going out on any road or anything like that. I'm not breaking curfew. Theoretically, this is my compound. But I'm not going and ringing anybody's bell also.
Good boy, Jaggu. Don't psych
Ah.
people. Everybody is very worried and everybody is sitting tight at home.
Yeah.
Hopefully, all of you are safe. Double masking if at all you have to go out. I've had issues trying to tell my mother it's okay. Your second dose of vaccine we'll get when we can get you an appointment. So I haven't been able to get her an appointment. She's in Bombay and she, despite me telling her I am trying, refuses to listen, and every day she goes and marrows like a round of all the government hospitals and tries to see if she can stand in the queue and
I
get in.
think that has worked for one or two people.
What? She's
Yeah, I don't know.
78. She spent
Yes.
50 days in ICU a few months ago, and she's not listening to me when I'm telling her, "Mummy, just stay put." I asked her doctors if they could help, and they said right now is very difficult. But hopefully, very soon in the next few weeks, they will allow private practitioners also to give the vaccine, and then you buy it if you have to. But
Sure.
they just said, "Please, Tarana, keep your mum safe." I said, "But she's not helping. What can I do?" And they said, "No, please control her." So that's my
Yes.
my issue with
Oh.
stress, and everybody right now I'm sure is dealing with their own set of irresponsible people in their lives, or just parents who just don't listen, but we've got to stay indoors. We've got to make sure we don't
Yes.
step out, and we've really got to help. Spoke to a couple of doctors and they're just fed up, like fed
Just
up.
look,
Just
help
fed
them
up.
help you, yeah. Help them help you. There's only that much an entire system or any one person can do. The rest is literally up to us individually. So
And
just
there is a full system failure. There's no mincing words. There's a full system
Yeah,
failure.
yeah.
But my doctor literally said so. I said, "How are you? Are you managing to stay safe despite the job?" He said, "Fed up, Tarana. Fed up. Complete system failure. I don't know." Like
So
he sounded totally despondent, and he's a very
I-
very good like cardiologist.
fair enough,
Anywho,
fair enough.
anyway,
So,
okay.
I have to say there's look, the doctors and the frontliners above and beyond the call of duty. But they're stressed, they're dealing with a lot. That's like it's beyond individual human capacity what they're doing, and each one of them is doing it.
Yeah.
So stress needs to be relieved. Now we're seeing pretty much all over social media that some of that stress is being relieved by dancing.
Yeah.
I absolutely love those videos. Please, if that is the way you want to release stress, like full PP, so that I want full dance and all this. Like it started with that Rasputin thing and then it moved on and things like that.
all of
It's
last year,
wonderful.
the doctors, etc., have been dancing in the PPE kits, because what do you
Yeah.
do when you're that uncomfortable and fed up? Then you
Correct,
use
correct.
humor to find your way out
Then
of it. The
get on
Rasputin
with it.
dances have been fantastic.
Yeah, absolutely. But Mahesh has cracked it and topped them all. Mahesh is an ambulance driver. Ambulance driver means 18 hours is his minimum shift.
Yeah.
Okay. The minimum he works in a day is 18 hours. There's a lot of stress and look, at the end of the day, if you're an ambulance driver, you are 100% with a COVID patient.
Yeah.
Or you're going to pick up one, or you have just dropped one, or whatever it is.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's high stress, two, it's long hours, and you're spending all that time in a PPE kit. Yeah, you're an ambulance driver, you're surrounded with COVID, much like the doctors are. So PPE kit, even for ambulance drivers, is necessary. How does Mahesh blow off steam? Mahesh is in Uttarakhand. Mahesh then is driving on empty streets. There's a curfew and all happening over there. But, shadis and weddings and barats are allowed. There are capacities. I mean, in this case, I think it's about 50. But there was a very slow moving, almost dar ke barat that he came across, like, Dulha on the horse and whatever. And one, he said, this is my stress buster. Two, he also figured, what are they doing? This is the most boring barat I've ever seen in my life. Mahesh has stepped out and he has danced.
Well,
Please
sure.
see the evidence. He has boogied his head off. Yeah, baby. So the full situation is that when an ambulance comes, parks near you, a guy in a PPE suit gets off, immediately you start stressing. When he starts dancing, then you start getting a little frightened. So for a bit, nobody joined in. Then they realized, boss, this guy's the life of the party. Everybody joined in. And that's when the Bharat boogie.
Can I please tell you, I'm very annoyed with the Bharat
Why?
because COVID is on, and why in the world would you take a Bharat out?
No, because they got permission. So even within curfew, there and within non-curfew hours, I mean, look, it might not make
I would just like
common
to
sense. It might not be common sense, but if the government is saying you can do a Bharat
Yeah, but
with
by now we know.
this much capacity of people, then
No,
they're
by
going to take their
now,
chances.
no. By now, we have to realize that our government doesn't know anything, and we got to follow the science. And whether they say 50 people allowed or Kumbh Mela allowed, or you can still do the Shahi Snan, or you can now go for the Char Dham Yatra, you have to make up your own mind and use your own sense and not do these things. Which is why I think there's another video that's going viral. We're not showing you that, of a reporter asking a dulha, how many people in a Bharat? And he said 150. And he said, and how many people are allowed? And he said, I think about 100. It's like, so then what if COVID happens, and then the dulha decides to say things like, "Arey, COVID naam ki kuch cheez nahi hai," and then the reporter says, "Ye pakdo mera mic," and then decides to give one chart. But I think it's a satirical thing, because this same reporter has been going to different people, and if they say stupid things, then he gives them one fut.
So there's also an actual, and not satirical at all. There is a district magistrate. There's a 5-minute, 6-minute video doing the rounds where he basically lands up at a wedding that is happening after curfew hours, post 10 p.m., tears up their permission, throws it in their face, and goes around whacking and arresting people, including the dulha and whatever assorted.
Yeah. So I'm just saying, like,
and they got arrested.
Like, must you get married? Okay,
Yeah, must you.
Your shadi has been planned, but 2021 weddings are all planned, obviously, from last year. Okay,
Yeah.
People assumed that COVID cases would be down, and you've made a certain assumption, but you should have still known better. Like, use these 2 years till everybody is vaccinated to just have like a quiet wedding. By all means, go get married, but I mean, do it in a court. Quickly, just 5-6 of you, and then throw a huge party. You also save money. What is wrong with people? They don't want to save money.
Array, weddings are being done online.
Yes.
There was a groom that was diagnosed COVID positive. He was in the hospital. His bride sat on a Zoom call and they got married. वो भी हो सकता है. Party can happen 1 year later. Yeah, don't worry
so
about it.
Bharat, I have a feeling Mahesh, the ambulance driver, has looked at the site of people celebrating. He has probably just come back, from dropping a patient to a hospital. Hopefully that patient got a bed. And he just looked at these guys and said, these are next going to be in my ambulance. And I am so frustrated. I don't know what to do. I'm going to go down and dance. Anyway, so that has not amused me. However,
जगह है आने का ambulance में.
So different parts of the world, life is going on beyond COVID. A proposal in the US has recently gone viral because the groom, so like, he's clear, there's a helicopter I think in the background, so clearly it's a fancy enough sort of proposal. She did say yes. That's not the suspense, but what he did to propose is actually quite unique. So Jago, okay, so this is the couple from the US, right?
Okay.
How
cute.
Yeah. Can you, however, see what is happening? Can you see what he's holding?
Is that more than one ring?
Yes.
That is 5 rings.
Exactly.
What happened there?
So he said, I don't know what the girl will go for. So and the girl always knows what ring she likes. So I will give her a choice, and he proposed with 5 rings.
Nice.
So she's clearly overwhelmed and laughing and excited because 5 rings. But these
she
are
took out all 5.
No. She chose one, but these are the 5 options. I know it's pixelating, but we can make out.
I can see the 5 rings.
They all are diamonds.
So I agree with you. Now here is my point. You put 5 rings on the table, but you only get her to keep 1.
Yeah.
She's only allowed to keep 1.
Yeah.
That sort of takes the joy out of it. They wanna give 1 and let her keep that 1. Huh?
She thinks it's a damn good idea.
I mean, if you're giving 5, then she has to keep all 5. It's as simple as that.
Oh, if you show 5, then you get, the girl gets to keep all 5.
Also, here's the thing with giving a ring. So yes, sometimes a to-be husband and wife, they know that they are going to get married, so they will go wedding ring shopping together. But if you want to do the surprise, proposals and all of that, then you have to be sure enough of your judgment that the ring that you pick, she will like. Also, as a symbol of the relationship, she should be happy with the ring that she has got.
When you proposed to your wife, was she happy with the ring?
Yeah,
Does she still have it?
she wears it.
If it had gone missing and suddenly became slightly different looking, Jaggu, and she said, "This only, baby, this only you proposed with."
Correct.
You forgot
But
it.
No, no, I
That
had a-
also
I had a
happens.
slightly- I had a slightly side system going where
Huh.
I did not buy her a rock. I did not propose to her with a rock.
Okay.
I could not afford a rock. But what we did do was that I came up with a very like a
Installment plan.
ancient Greek design. No. So it was like a band, but like a sort of a very geometrical, wavy kind of band,
Okay.
which is what I proposed with, which is what she continues to wear. Some 2-3 years after we got married, I had enough money. So I said, baby, money, now let's go buy you a rock. And then
Huh.
she picked that design.
I see. So that's the one that she wears, and she basically says, "This is my engagement ring that
No,
was
no.
very nice," and he picked.
She wears the proposal ring. She does wear the proposal
Nice.
ring.
Okay,
I
Jaggu.
check every day. Trust me, there are diamonds on it.
Okay, well done, well done. Okay, so anyway, this like the internet is very excited by the fact that this guy has proposed with 5 rings. The girl also said how sweet and all, and so unusual. And one of the 5 rings was the one that I had casually like looked at in the past when on a walk with him, and I had said, "Oh, I really like it." So
अरे
I'm
तो
glad
वो
he
देखे काम
really-
खत्म करता था ना.
So that was there, but then he also chose other things because I mean, ultimately, even I want to be able to buy what I can afford.
अरे if he can't decide on a ring, how does he decide on a wife?
Well, he managed.
Well done.
Yeah.
Well done. I'm deeply pleased with that situation.
Quite fantastic.
Well done,
Speaking of
well done.
congratulations, a reality show star has unfortunately lost in the finales, but
Of Big Boss.
of a singing competition. Lekin the whole world is saying congratulations to him, and he is beyond excited.
Okay.
Okay?
No, 1 minute. So we're not on Big Boss. We're somewhere else.
No, we're not. Okay, so
Okay.
so in our usual segment, Eye on Russians in China.
Yes, the usual segment.
Eye on Russians in China.
In China.
Okay.
Well done. Yeah, we do
okay.
that every day almost.
Okay, so a 27-year-old Russian student who is from the eastern part of Russia but was studying in China, and he speaks fluent Mandarin, decided like any other student would to make some money on the side. So I'm a student and I also can do some part-time work and make money on the side. So he decided to work with a TV show, a reality show, which needed basically like a translator. Okay, so it's called Produce Camp 2021. So he came as a Chinese sort of translator for 2 participants who were from Japan or something. Anywho,
So wait. I'm confused. This is.
He was
Tell me
working-
again where this is happening.
a Russian man who's a
In China.
student in China,
Yes.
and
okay.
he speaks fluent Mandarin, did a part-time job on a reality show, which is basically like a hunt for the next boy band.
Why is he
okay.
translating into Chinese? Oh, he
Who
was doing
knows?
it for the Japanese. Okay.
For
Get it,
whatever.
get it.
Anyway,
Okay,
he was hired as a translator on this
Okay.
particular show. Now, the producers of the show have taken one look at him and said, he's quite good looking. Maybe we should get him to participate. Okay?
Oh.
Yeah, let me try and show you where he is. Apologies. Yeah, it takes a
So
little
now
bit of time.
this is a Russian who was there to translate into Chinese for the Japanese, but now has decided to take part in Chinese reality show himself.
Something like that. No, so
Okay.
so the producers have said, "Okay, let us offer him a job." Now, can you see him?
Oh, not bad. That's a good-looking fellow.
Yeah, so he's cute.
Yeah.
Okay, he's cute and he looks a certain part. So then they said, "Arey, we'll pay you money or whatever it is. Do you want to participate?" So he also said, "Haan, okay, chal, I'll participate," because he thought
Lagada.
because the audience is supposed to vote every week like Big Boss and throw the it is actually a lot like Big Boss because all participants are on some island.
Of course they
It's
are.
a tropical deserted island and they don't really have access to phones or whatever. But they do tasks and they also sing and dance because bottom line, the winner becomes part of a boy band. Anyway,
Excellent.
yeah, so that's him. That's another photo of him. Cute, eh? And he looks,
Rather.
he could pass off for an ethnic Chinese person versus Russian or whatever. Okay. The thing is, after 2 weeks, he decided, I don't want to do this. Okay, because I
Nobody was voting him out.
no, because I can't sing.
Oh.
And I can't sing, and I wrote my life's goal is not to become a boy band member, and
Yeah.
it's been 2-3 weeks and these fools are not voting me out. So every week he started performing very like disinterestedly, so like la 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 la. Doesn't look particularly happy, does he, Jaggu?
It was-
Or he didn't even sing very well. He was just like da 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 like this Marila Hath and all. While everybody else like that.
But there are artists who spend considerable time, effort, and training to achieve this kind of look. And I'm not just talking about his chiseled features and no doubt very good looking face. The whole disinterested, I'm better than this, and I can wear purple and I can carry it off. Yes, you all dance, I'll do whatever I want. It's a cultivated look for some people.
This is how Salman Khan also usually performs on stage, by the way.
Fair enough.
Right?
There you
I'm,
go.
I'm too cool for school.
Yeah. There you
guys
go.
are
No
idiots
wonder.
to like
I'm
me,
surprised. I'm surprised he didn't win.
So he has been ironically loved by the audience because they feel he represents something called the Sang culture or the Sang culture,
Which is what?
which is a term used amongst millennials in China to sort of denote a defeatist attitude to life. So when you're like,
Manesu
yeah,
hinke fatak.
no, it's not even like Manesu hinke fatakadi still like
Is still what goes of mine. Correct.
no, and it's
This
still
is beyond
emotional,
that.
and you're like, I don't care. This is all like,
Yeah.
yeah. So this is for anybody who's experienced teenagers. Sorry if there are teenagers watching, but sometimes y'all can be very irritating because y'all are just like, wow, whatever.
Whatever. Yeah, correct. I like
I
the
don't-
whatever.
I don't know. Yeah. Okay. I'm bored. This is the Sang culture of
Okay.
China. And
Excellent.
the millennials have said, oh my god, he is so like he is our bhai.
He's idol.
He is idol. So then this bichara fellow, he's become very famous and he goes by the name Lelouch. So
Lelouch.
originally Vladislav, also better known as Lelouch, started singing very desperate songs like "Mujhe ghar jane do," "I want to go home, please let me go," and all. No, so he was stuck for 3 months. Jammu in
How
this
far did he get?
finals on the 23rd of April is finally when they declared the winners and he lost.
So I know he didn't win, but he got all the way up to the finals and literally he was runner-up. Wow.
But he said freedom. Freedom, and
Did he
he's
win
gone home.
money?
I don't know. He must have been paid per week, which is why he was staying
Okay.
originally.
Fair
But he
enough.
honestly thought in 2 weeks I'll be thrown out because I can't sing. And then he got stuck there indefinitely for very long. No, and then there was a whole like movement on Chinese social media. So Weibo and all had
free him.
hashtag free Lelouch, and people were begging, if you're a true fan of his, let him go. He really wants to go home and don't be like this or all. But no,
Why wouldn't he just stay there and chapo for as long as he could? Yeah.
he was very unhappy. He
China
like,
has a better market than Russia, I would
but
imagine.
fame and all, like, it didn't matter to him. He was very unhappy. He really wanted to go home. and
Gaya na finally.
yeah, but like, I mean, what is the point and all? The finale happened and that's when he managed to get out. How tragic. How tragic.
So
Anyway,
sad.
okay, not gonna leave you with the tragics.
Wait. Are Russian borders open for him to go back in?
Maybe he'll continue with his education and continue to study what he was supposed to study
Oh.
and translate. Yeah.
Fair.
Ooh,
Okay.
quick reminder, if you like our eye on Russians in China, like to kar do.
Who can translate for Japanese?
Yes, that.
You
And
must-
sing and dance and bounce like Salman Khan.
Correct. तो like करो ना, comment करो हमारे लिए ना. थोड़ा सब्सक्राइब भी कर लो. There is a bell icon over there. Hit the bell icon. Subscribe. Do all of that and share with like-minded friends. Especially they like the Russians and Chinese.
100%.
Yeah.
And we're going to leave you with, well, we did promise because everybody has been demanding that we end with animal stories. So why not? I'm going to share with you an image of an animal that you may not be very happy about, but here it is.
Yeah. Okay.
So that's a frog.
Okay.
Okay. But Estonia, this is quite sweet. Estonia, which is basically Eastern Europe, Estonia, capital Tallinn, all of this month of April, while the rest of the world is worried about like COVID and other issues and all, they are very concerned about their poor frogs. Because
So these are first world problems, or there is a whole different situation?
no, clearly first world problem, but Estonian problem. But every year, thousands of frogs are physically carried across the highway by volunteers in Estonia so that they
These are
can safely
migrating
cross.
frogs.
Yes, so where they hibernate in winter is one side of a road, and where their pond is in the spring where they like to hang, is on the other side of the highway. And the volunteers have all said, look, the frogs were here way before the highway.
Correct. Correct.
Right? So
Yes.
it's not fair that there's a highway now and then they find it difficult to cross. So also what happens is in the cold, because the highway has so many cars running, the tarmac and all is warmer than the surroundings. And I did not know this. When frogs and toads come on like warm surfaces, they get sleepy and lethargic and tend to take naps.
But the warm surface is not that long. I mean,
Yeah, it's a highway.
well, maybe for a frog it is. Yeah, maybe for a frog it is. Oh, might have.
So they've been having issues where 300-400 frogs have been trying to hop across and then they've just gone to sleep. And then
So let's
and
take
then-
a nap.
yeah, and then cars have been like screeching to a halt and like waiting for the frogs to wake up or whatever it is. So yeah,
But to
before
resolve this, people are carrying the frogs across the road.
that was earlier. Frogs
Okay.
were being carried by people.
Okay.
Now, all of the month of April, highways are closed in the night so that the frogs can cross.
Wow. Okay.
And
Okay.
their next plan is to build a tunnel under the highway so that then the frogs can just go.
Best.
Yeah,
I like it. I
yeah.
like it.
So it's very very sweet, and it's a very I mean
I
know.
want to see the frog picture again. Now that I have this story, I want to see the frog in a new light.
So I think this is a frog that is looking quite drowsy on the road, no?
Yeah.
And
Let's take a quick nap
There.
before we proceed.
that's the highway, and as you can see.
That is actually a symbol. Oh, interesting. There is
Yeah.
a frog. Well, traffic sign over
Yeah.
there. Okay.
But you know when you hear about like what's it called? Like deer crossing, reindeer crossing in Australia, you see like kangaroo crossings ahead, camel crossings in this part of the world or whatever. Those are at least large enough animals for us to see and stop for.
Yeah,
अबे frog किधर दिखेगा लोगों को?
that's difficult. And that frogs tend to be a little more disguised than kangaroos,
Yes.
aside from size.
Yeah. Which is why maybe it
Wow.
helps that 300-400 of them are falling asleep right in the front so you can sort of see them.
And I like this idea of a communal nap. Not in COVID times, but otherwise it's a damn good idea.
Leaving
On
you
that
to
note-
think about where could you randomly fall asleep?
Let us know.
Could you
Let
sleep
us
on
know.
the road or not? Let us know. Yeah. Sorry.
Comment kar lo.
Yeah,
Comment
also,
karo.
if you want an animal video or an animal story in every episode, start sending them to us.
Yeah. We'll
DM.
give you due credit.
Yeah, we'll say, and this week's like animal story is brought to you by whatever.
So that's your commenting, but don't forget to also like, also subscribe, also hit the bell icon and share.
Yes.
All of it.
Yeah. And we're out of here and we will see you very, very soon. Remember, stay safe, mask, double mask, don't step out, be responsible, be more responsible than the system. And most importantly, like keep your spirits up and stay cheerful and all. We got you.
Absolutely.
Okay, bye.
Bye bye, butterfly.
Abbe, Jabku, show the butterfly. Like that, you do bye bye butterfly.
Bye bye, butterfly.